As you can see in our inspiration design, we have this menu. So we'll quickly add menus in our website. We'll head over to appearance, menus, and we want home, blog, contact. We'll just remove this one. We'll drag this to up and we'll change the label to free guide. Yes, that's the one. We'll click create menu. Let's check how it looks. Can't see our menu yet. Don't worry, we'll quickly fix this one. Click primary, save menu. Now let's refresh. Now as you can see the menus here. Now what you need to do is, our home page is not set as home. We can see the archive page here. So what go what we'll do is, we'll go to setting and go to reading, and here we will set the home page as, we'll select home, and our post page will be the blog section. Done. We'll quickly save the changes. All right, now we'll quickly install our plugins. For that, we'll head over to plugin, go to add new. From here we can select Elementor. As you can see, we'll go to install. Now as you can see, once the theme is installed to our website, the look is changed. Now we want to further customize the design. We would install Elementor and Elementor Pro here. Elementor is a page builder. We can design stunning pages using it. It offers lots of customization. Once you have these two plugins, Elementor and Elementor Pro, you pretty much don't need any other plugin, at least for design purpose. If you are new to WordPress, Elementor is the free version, is good to go, but I will strongly encourage you to get the pro version. It makes your life easier and you won't regret. You get 10x value for the price. So we'll quickly install Elementor. We can install from here as well. It's installing. It is installed. I'll hit activate the plugin. It is activated and you'll going to see this home page. Just cut this, we don't require this. Go to plugins. If you have any plugin, download it to your computer, you can upload it here. Just hit upload plugin, select, it will opt you to choose any file. If you have, just select that file and hit install. It will be installed. So here in this section you can see all the plugins which is installed. Actually don't require any of this except Elementor and Elementor Pro. I can quickly delete those. All in SEO is a great tool, but for this tutorial I don't need this, so I'm just deactivating this. WP migration is also not required. I can simply get rid of this as well. Just delete this. Delete. Deactivate. Deactivate. You can select more than one plugin and go to this delete option and apply. So all the plugins you don't require will be deleted. I don't need this. Just get rid of that. Now for screen option, head to the dashboard. By default this is your WordPress dashboard looking like. So I need a clean design, so I'll just untick all this. I can see a clean design which is very easier to use and not get confused. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is quickly create our header and footer. I'll head over to templates and go to theme builder. Here I'll click on header. We'll go to add new header, and it is the type, the template is header, and we would name it header. Create template. Here you can see all the pre-made templates. If you want to use that, you can use, but I decided to build from scratch. Now what we need to, I mean, why we are actually building this header and footer? To get design consistency. To get design consistency, we're going to build header and footer template beforehand. This increases reusability. Elementor theme builder allows us to create different template of a website. Alright,